Shohada Educational and Therapeutic Center of Tabriz has been providing healthcare services since 1984, and in 1995 it was designated as the Orthopedic and Trauma Center for Northwest of the country. This hospital serves patients with 360 approved beds and 215 active beds on a land area of roughly 51,800 square meters and a built-up area of about 17,960 square meters. About 50 orthopedic specialty residents, several residents experts in neurosurgery, anesthesia, and rehabilitation, as well as interns and externs, are actively involved in training and research within the center. One of the most modern emergency departments connected to Tabriz University of Medical Sciences is the Emergency Department of Shohada Tabriz Educational and Medical Center. It offers services utilizing cutting-edge machinery and cutting-edge medical and treatment systems. The department receives and provides services to 10,000 people injured in various incidents on a monthly average thanks to the expertise of specialized and subspecialized professors, experienced staff, and the availability of separate operating rooms from the central operating room section. Unique surgical procedures are carried out in the central operating rooms of Shohada Educational and Therapeutic Center of Tabriz with the knowledge of specialized and subspecialized professors utilizing cutting-edge machinery like arthroscopy devices and MRI machines and making use of the central implant inventory facilities. Knee, hip, and ankle surgeries, pediatric orthopedic procedures for congenital anomalies and deformities, shoulder and elbow surgeries, spinal column procedures, bone tumor surgeries, and neurosurgical procedures are just a few of the specialized surgical procedures carried out at this facility. Shohada Hospital is acknowledged as the largest and most significant referral center for orthopedic diseases in the neighboring provinces, including Erdebil, Zanjan, Kurdistan, West Azerbaijan, East Azerbaijan, and the city of Tabriz. This is due to the presence of skilled specialized and subspecialized professors, committed residents, and experienced staff. This facility is used to treat patients with complex orthopedic conditions. At the Shohada Educational and Therapeutic Center, the departments of orthopedic surgery and neurosurgery offer their services to patients and guests while drawing on the knowledge of professors with specialized and subspecialized backgrounds as well as their residents. The Intensive Care Unit (ICU) treats trauma patients who require specialized care, patients having elective orthopedic surgery, and patients who have suffered from brain trauma and need ongoing monitoring and intensive care because of serious physical problems. Biochemistry, microbiology, hematology, hormone analysis, serology, and a blood bank are all sections of the laboratory at Shohada Tabriz Educational and Therapeutic Center. Experienced laboratory scientists who are familiar with quality control standards work in the lab. They make use of cutting-edge laboratory facilities and equipment to develop the necessary skills. The laboratory performs the necessary tests for clients and guests. With cutting-edge facilities, the Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Department offers patients physical medicine and rehabilitation services, including physiotherapy. This department treats both outpatients who need treatment following surgery for fractures, trauma, joint and musculoskeletal disorders, strokes, spinal cord injuries, and various forms of arthritis, as well as inpatients with orthopedic and neurosurgical cases. It also serves patients whose treating physician has prescribed sonography or electromyography nerve conduction velocity. A multi-slice CT scanning device is used in the imaging department, radiology and CT scanning, to provide services related to requested scans under the supervision of specialized professors and experienced technicians. Simple scans, reconstructions, three-dimensional imaging, contrast-enhanced scans, and measurements for joint disorders and congenital anomalies are some of the services offered here. Orthopedic and neurosurgical emergency cases are covered round the clock by the three divisions of radiology: central radiology, emergency radiology, and outpatient radiology. Additionally, they provide radiology services to ambulatory patients from the outside facilities who come to the facility's specialized outpatient clinic. The radiology department also offers ultrasound services to ambulatory and inpatient patients. Imam Khomeini Clinic is home to the center's specialized and subspecialized clinics, which provide a variety of ongoing specialized and subspecialized services: orthopedics for adults and children, neurosurgery, nutrition, traditional Iranian medicine, rheumatology, nephrology, pulmonary and respiratory diseases, occupational therapy, physiotherapy and rehabilitation, health education clinic, nursing, and clinical exercise physiology are some of the services offered. The International Patient Department of the hospital, IPD, is well known for its renowned and skilled medical professionals in the surrounding nations. As a result, this facility has been granted official permission to accept patients from abroad since 2017. The center offers services to this range of patients as well, thanks to its dedicated foreign doctors and specialists. As one of the biggest trauma hospitals in the nation, Shohada, a specialized and subspecialized hospital of Tabriz, relies on cutting-edge knowledge and technology while upholding medical ethics. The hospital offers the best medical and research services thanks to its knowledgeable and experienced professors and effective staff. Within the confines of governmental and academic healthcare regulations, its methodology is centered on enhancing patient satisfaction, raising patient satisfaction scores, and improving the health of patients, stakeholders, and process owners.